Hey everybody, this is Mark. Today's video we're going to be showing you how to check if a website is safe or not. Now this isn't 100%, but this will definitely help you out, and if you see any red flags, it'll caution you to proceed more safely on that website if you do want to absolutely go there. So basically, if you get a link in an email or anything, you can copy that link. Here we're going to be using openoffice.org. It's a free alternative to Microsoft Office, like Excel and Word and everything. So what we're going to be doing, go to a website called VirusTotal. You can just Google it, VirusTotal, and then it'll bring you to this page. I'll leave the links in the description. You can check either a file or a URL. Today we're going to be checking a URL. I'll make another video for file. So I'm just going to paste what I just copied. And then all we got to do is hit this little search button. And you'll see right here, it'll tell you what it scanned. It'll tell you it was okay. Gives you all this this information. You don't have to worry about all this. All you care about is the score up here. You can see we're green, so we're all in the good. And it tells you right here that under detection, it'll tell you all the different tools. These are basically antiviruses. A lot of these ESET, there's a lot of these are antiviruses. And basically, so it'll scan with these tools and it'll tell you if it's clean or not. You can get more details. You don't really need to go through all this stuff. You can see links, other outgoing links that the page offers where it's going to go. Community, well, basically people can log in and post stuff. So see, these guys are saying hashtag safe, official open office website, open source alternative to Microsoft Office, and this person says the same thing. So you can see right here, that would give you all that information. So this would be safe. If it's not safe, then that green is going to end up red and you'll have a few. If you have a couple, then be cautious. If you have a lot, I probably would not visit that site. So yeah, so that's everything. So thank you, have a good day, and if you like the video, leave a like. If you want more content, subscribe. Thanks.